Look, there's my little mate waiting for me, squeaking. You want some sunflower seeds, huh? Okay, hang on. Here we go. Come on then. Come on. You coming down to get some in a minute? Could be a bit cheeky this morning. There he is. There he is. There he is. He's usually here waiting for me. Obviously quite hungry this morning. Well, I think we've finished for this morning, for the moment. We'll be back later. And this is the rosemary that will be going, sadly, because it's just got too big. Right, another little quick walk around the garden. Look at all the mess, because I'm actually in the process of tidying everything up, putting things away for the winter or the autumn. So anyway, that's the Pilgrim. Done okay. Another walk through here. Eucatonia. So what have we got? Oh yeah, some new pansies, and that rose there's open arms. That's flowered all summer. I've got some nice new canes to put across there in the autumn. So yeah, the open arms still doing its thing. Cyclamen, more pansies, fuchsia. What else have we got? Oh yeah, there's fuchsia there. Tomatoes. Tomatoes just about had it. These are just some late ones that I put in. Probably gardener's delight. And a quick look in the greenhouse. It's a bit of a mess. So that's actually everything. The easiest way to describe everything is to say it's in hand. Anyway, all the others have gone. Let's have a look. That's Argyranthemum, I think. Right, let's have a walk on. Lots of new little babies anyway, things to get rid of. This has done well. These, I always do well with these Begonia Sutherlandii. Got lots of babies over there. Yeah, the dahlias, yes, they've done nicely. All sorts of bits and pieces, as you can see. Yeah. This is Verbena rigida. There's a young one, another young one. Got some more over the way as well. That begonia is sort of, that's my original. That's probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 years old now. Got lots of babies though. This is Gislaine de Feligonde. It's been flowering recently. Oh, you can see some new buds coming there. There's a few there, but obviously it's on the way out now. The hydrangea, Michaelmas daisies. Oh yeah, look. So this actually is a constant gardener. That is a red new dawn. This is actually my good old Madame Alfred Carrier. Got a few of those out. Yeah, there's another Madame Alfred Carrier there, and there, and here. Some around the other side as well. Be some more. Just have a look across there. Right, let's have a look up here. A few little violas. They do quite well. I say the poor old fuchsias this year, they got this gall mite. So I'll cut them back, see what happens. They all want treating for what is it I treat them for? Vine weevil. Usually get that too. Anyway, there's all my young begonias coming along. What else have we got? Lots of self-seeded foxgloves to go here and there to give away. And, well, obviously this is the Verbena bonariensis. And there we've got the pink flower carpet down there. And what else have we got? More Michaelmas daisies. And right over there, there is a blush noisette. A few iceberg, climbing iceberg. That is old blush china. That's sort of just doing its thing again. Then in the distance, right over there, you can see some rural England, and there were some, yeah, there's some rambling rosy over there as well. Obviously a hydrangea. Right, let's zoom out again. This is rural England, still doing its best. Some buds up there. Another Michaelmas daisy. I've got a late flowering cosmos here. Bits and pieces. We'll have a look at the altissimo through there in a moment. Let's just have a look at the garden. Awful lot of mess everywhere at the moment. In the process of tidying up. That's my excuse anyway. Oh yes, summertime. You can see that's still doing its thing up there. And there's actually quite a few buds coming. But altissimo, yeah, that's not been without flower all summer. And obviously there's a nice little one there. And there are actually some up there. I'll have to bring that down a bit lower in the autumn. Just things. There's another late cosmos. Hopefully don't get any frosts at the moment. Obviously verbena everywhere, I just love it. And the bees love it. That's a wheelbarrow in case you don't know what it is. You can see Madame Alfred Carrier still over there. What else have we got? Oh yeah, my blush noisette. Well, it hasn't stopped flowering, but obviously it's slowing down. Lots of new buds up there. Up there. Still doing its thing. More new buds there. Got the hibiscus. And compassion up there. You can see some dahlias through there. What else have we got? Let's have a little look. Well, I've got sedum all over the place. Lavender. The Harlow car. Don't see anything coming on that at the moment. Probably finished. I have got a baby Harlow car here though. I planted that cutting up in the spring and it's got some flowers coming. This is a Verbena rigida. It's going in the pot or garden somewhere. Some baby ones. Cyclamen. There's a little rose there. I have no idea what that's called. One of these £1 things that you get out of somewhere like Aldi or whatever. That one there is called Nice. No, it's not. That's yeah. That is Nice Day. Yeah. And the oh yeah, look. Here's one of my new blush rosette. Bought 2 of them recently. Got 2 of them for less than 15 quid, so that's not bad. I mean, they're over now, they were flowering very nicely, and they will go, well, one of them will go where the rosemary is behind me. So anyway, things are quietening down now, as you can see. Another look up the garden. Actually, in this video, I took a picture of the robin this morning down while he was down there, so I'll include that in the video. And I also went to a ploughing match last Saturday, so I took some nice pictures of some horses, 2 pairs of horses that were ploughing, and I'll stick those in, make it a bit different. It was a really lovely day. Went through it with 3 friends, and yeah, I had a really good day. So there's my Madame Alfred Carrier. Yep. There's another one up there. And what else have we got? All sorts of plants. There's some new pansies. And there's sort of some new violas. The geraniums, well, they're just about finished. Here's my other new blush rosette. Let's go out. There he is. She is. So one or the other will get planted where the rosemary is. Haven't decided which yet. I've got a spider hanging down in front of my eyes at the moment as well now. Anyway, let's have a look at this. Look at that. Lovely. Don't think the figs are going to come to anything this year now. So this is the dahlia. Got 2 dahlias. Well, no, I've got 3 dahlias, 3 different sorts. One's a Bishop of Llandaff, one's a Bishop of Leicester, and which is which I can't remember, one or the other. As I say, there's a, well, B's gone now. Oh, he's over here now. And he won't tell me, will you? So that's that. And this one is a sort of a Japanesey name, I can't remember it offhand. But it's done well. I'll save the tubers and we'll plant them up again next year, see how we get on. So anyway, that was just a quick whiz around the garden. As I say, mess all the rest of it. So plenty to do. Plenty to do. That's better. You can see what's happening now. Now that poor old pyracantha over there, covered in berries, and the pigeons, oh, they're just stripping it. And all the berries will be gone, oh, by the end of the month, well, by the end of October, certainly. So, okay. Hope you enjoyed the walk around. It's just that the forecast isn't brilliant, so I thought, well, I will just do a little walk around, show everybody the mess that I've got, and well, we'll see what happens. So that's it for today. Bye.
Mommy, how big are these horses? Yeah.